Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. I am here at Sakura Garage, and like I said, Grace and Chuck, they're Datsun enthusiasts. So you'll see a lot of 240, 260Z. See here, a Roadster. This Project Leopard, I'm gonna get that worked on today, like no other. V210. Chuck is moving some trucks out because we're gonna work on stuff. What do you got? M30 fenders too. So here's the hood. I think today we're gonna try to cut it. That's what I want to do. Here's an airplane. Some engines. Another Z. Here's another part. Here's the other part of the garage. So awesome. But, you know, they rebuild stuff like this, so that's kind of amazing. As you can see up there too. Rebuild rust.